Coleraine station of crossing for West Portrush. Oh, that's an East one. As you can see, it has a brand new E2S alarm and it doesn't even work yet. It probably doesn't work just yet. Yep, so this so that has a new E2S alarm now replaces the broken one. Yep, so yeah, as you can see, it has a brand new what is that? See, it has a brand new E2S alarm and it doesn't even work just yet. Can't be broken, like it's just new, like it's an E2S alarm and it doesn't even work just yet. So it has a brand new E2S alarm and it doesn't even work. May take a while, so I might come back here again as soon as this happens. Until it's working. It was the time of 1712 and this over here 1714. You know what it's from Portrush to here. Cruising 13 to here. And up I go. Looks what here, an E2S alarm. A new E2S alarm, but something is weird about it. Oh. It doesn't even work.
Oh, there's no noise of it?
No, literally no noise.
Well, maybe you should go to the other side then.
Maybe I should.
No.
Yeah, so as you can see, it's got a brand new E2S alarm, but it's
been a football match here today. There's probably another left young lad.
Don't make me get that. I'm happy you didn't make that alarm scare me. Thank you for not making me jump scared by that alarm.
Huh?
Thank you for not getting me scared by that alarm.
No. It's your backside. There you go.
On the other side? Where is it?
This one.
I know. Yeah, it's a coincidence of because I watch a gotcha alarm. They're not there to go to us, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think you're not starting me to get me confused, I say. Yeah. Yeah, so now this is for your grab to a straight train. Yeah, so as you see, it has an E2S alarm, but it doesn't even work. It's strange, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think it's just because it's not set up yet.
Right.
So it's just there for a reason, and then probably in the next few days it's probably just not working. But maybe when it starts working, maybe I'll come. No.
But I think I have to get back in the car.
Do you seriously?
I haven't found it, son.
Really? I don't see how you're foundered.
There's a train coming.
I know. I think that was 3020, take Victoria Street. And that would go.